Hello students, already we have completed our first part of A Triumph of Surgery from our supplementary textbook Footprints Without Fate. We have already learned in our first part that Mrs. Pumphrey was the owner of Tricky and she was worried and distraught because Tricky was not eating anything. It even refused its favorite dishes. It had bouts of vomiting also. It spent all its time lying on the rug and it was painting too. And Tricky did not want to go for walks or did not want to do anything. And that is why Mrs. Pumphrey called the doctor for the help. And here the doctor's name was Mr. Heriot. The doctor suggested that Tricky should be hospitalized. She swooned and wailed, but let the dog go with the doctor. What happened next? For that, I will explain you the next part of our story. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. And when this doctor, Mr. Heriot, went to the hospital, surgery means veterinary hospital. So when he went there with Tricky, that time household dogs were there. Household dogs means in the hospital also he was having some dogs, and they all the dogs circle round this doctor. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet. And Tricky was looking at all these dogs with his dull eyes because he was not having any kind of energy. And when this doctor put him down, he laid on the carpet motionless. Motionless means without energy. It was there on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. And other dogs of veterinary hospital, they also circled round this dog and they began to sniff. Sniff means to smell. So they were sniffing this dog for the few seconds and then they decided that this dog was an uninteresting object. And that is why they started ignoring him. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. And then this doctor, Mr. Heriot, now he started to make his bed because now it was sleeping time for Tricky because it was very ill. It was not feeling well, and that is why he started making his bed, and where he kept his bed on the warm loose box next to the one where the other dog slept. And he made this dog's bed where other dogs were sleeping. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. So, for the first 2 days, this doctor did not give any kind of food to this dog. Only he gave him plenty of water because some digestion problem was there. Mrs. Pumphrey overfed this Tricky, and that is why he started to give him only plenty of water for first 2 days and did not give him any extra food. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. And at the end of second day, he started showing some interest in his surroundings. Means Tricky started showing interest in playing and to cope up with other animals also. And on the third day, he started whimper. Whimper means, here it is given that he started whimper. Whimper means to make some noise. He was not speaking anything first 2 days, but now he started showing some interest. He started speaking with his low voice, and he also heard the other dogs in the yard. Other dogs were playing in the yard and he heard it. Means now he was showing interest in his surroundings. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. And when the doctor opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Out means to move slowly from one place to another place. So here Tricky was now walking some small steps and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. And he was immediately engulfed. Engulfed means was surrounded by greyhound. Greyhound is a special breed of the dog. It is a kind of breed. So greyhound is a breed of the dog, and greyhound was a Joe. The dog's name was Joe, and he was surrounded by Joe and his friends. Means other dogs had already circled round this Tricky. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. And after rolling him over, means other dogs were rolling him around. જે બીજા dogs હતા એની આજુબાજુ ચક્કર લગાવતા હતા. They were rolling around him and they were thoroughly inspecting him. Thoroughly inspecting him means supervised him. And after that, these other dogs moved off from this Tricky and they went to the garden. And when the other dogs moved towards the garden, this Tricky followed them. Means उनके पीछे पीछे चला गया, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. And he was rolling. He was sleeping on the ground because he was extra weight. It was having extra weight, and that is why he was rolling around. वो फिसल रहा था ज़मीन पर, वो ठीक से चल नहीं पा रहा था, लेकिन वो उनके पीछे पीछे गार्डन तक गया. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sound of high-speed eating. So later that day, this doctor present at the feeding time, means when it was the lunch time or dinner time, the doctor used to present over there. He watched that Tristan slopped the food. Slopped means here slopped means spilled over the edge of the container. मीन्स कुछ ना कुछ जब ये डॉग खाते हैं तब कुछ ना कुछ गिर जाता है. बाउल्स की जो एज होती है, जो उसका किनारा होता है, उसमें से सब कुछ निकल जाता है क्योंकि वो जल्दी जल्दी खाते हैं. तो ट्रिस्टन जो था, ट्रिस्टन हियर द डॉग्स नेम, इट इज़ गिवन हियर ट्रिस्टन. सो उसने कुछ ना कुछ गिरा दिया बाउल में से. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sound of high-speed eating. And each and every dog was eating very fast. High-speed means they were eating too fast. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. And every dog was knowing that if they fell behind with the other dogs, then they have to share their part with the other dogs. मीन्स अगर वो धीमा धीमा खाएंगे, धीरे धीरे खाएंगे, तो क्या होगा कि दूसरे जो डॉग है वो अपना खाना ख़त्म करके उनके साथ कंपटीशन, उनके साथ खाना खाने के लिए आ सकते हैं. इसीलिए वो जल्दी जल्दी खा रहे थे. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining balls, licking casually inside one or two of them. And when other dogs had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining balls. Tricky took walk around the shining balls means वो जो shining ball था, वो जो चमकता हुआ एक बाउल था, कटोरा था, उनकी ओर जा रहा था. Licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day an extra bowl was put out for him and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. And दूसरे दिन ये जो डॉक्टर थे उन्होंने एक दूसरा बाउल ये ट्रिकी के रख दिया because he became very happy because this dog was jostling means pushed someone with elbow. वो अपनी जगह बना रहा था, उसको दूसरे डॉग को पुश कर रहा था खाने के लिए, उनको धक्का मार रहा था, उनके कटोरे में से भी वो खाना खा रहा था और दूसरे लोगों को धक्का लगाकर, दूसरे डॉगी को धक्का लगाकर वो उनका खाना भी खा रहा था. मीन्स अभी उसका स्टमक जो है वो ठीक हो गया था. ये जो ट्रिकी है अब वो धीरे धीरे वो क्योर हो रहा था. एंड दैट इज़ वाई डॉक्टर वॉज वेरी हैप्पी दैट Tricky is now all right, and that is why he was jostling to make his way. He was jostling other dogs. उसको जो दूसरे डॉग थे उनको वो धक्का मार रहा था, उनका भी खाना वो खा चुका था. इसलिए नेक्स्ट डे ये डॉक्टर जो थे उन्होंने एक एक्स्ट्रा बाउल ये ट्रिकी के लिए रख दिया क्योंकि वो अब 2 कटोरे भर 2 बाउल भर वो खाना खा सकता था. From then on, his progress was rapid. Rapid means fast. So here, whose progress was rapid? Tricky's progress was rapid. Means his health was curing. उसकी जो health थी वो धीरे धीरे सुधर रही थी, वो fastly सुधर रही थी. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. And he was not having now any kind of medical treatment, means he was now all right, and he was running with other dogs and he was joining with other dogs also for playing. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. And this doctor discovered that other dogs was rolling around him. They were put their legs on him and they were squashing him. Squash means to squeeze. उसको दबा रहे थे, उसके ऊपर चढ़ रहे थे, उसको घुमा रहे थे. तो ये सारे जो प्ले टाइम होता है डॉगी के वो ट्रिकी दूसरे डॉग्स के साथ एंजॉय कर रहा था. एंड बाय सीइंग दैट, बाय वाचिंग दिस, डॉक्टर बिकेम सो हैप्पी. He became an accepted member of the gang. An unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. And now he became an accepted member of the gang. Gang means here the pack of dogs. जो हॉस्पिटल में अदर डॉग्स थे उसकी गैंग में वो एक एक्सेप्टेड मेंबर बन गया. मीन्स उसको अब ये लोग जो थे अदर डॉग्स जो थे उन्होंने स्वीकार कर लिया कि ये अब हमारे गैंग का ही मेंबर है. हाँ, तो ये फ्रेंड हो गया उनकी गैंग का. एन अनलाइकली सिल्की लिटिल ऑब्जेक्ट अमंग द शैगी क्रू. शैगी मीन्स जो अदर डॉग्स थे वेटनरी हॉस्पिटल में वो शैगी थे. Shaggy means having long fur. They were having long fur on their body. Otherwise, this Tricky was a silky like object. वो बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही खूबसूरत डॉग था. बिकॉज मिसेस पम्फ्रे जो थी वो बहुत ही केयर करती थी इस डॉग का. तो वो जो डॉग था वो बहुत ही सिल्की लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट था. लेकिन अदर डॉग्स जो वेटनरी हॉस्पिटल में थे वो शैगी थे. शैगी मीन्स उसके जो फर थे बहुत ही लंबे लंबे थे, वो अच्छे दिख नहीं रहे थे. लेकिन ये जो ट्रिकी था वो बहुत ही अच्छा दिख रहा था. fighting like a tiger for his share at mealtime and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. And this dog, Tricky, was fighting like a tiger. वो छोटा सा डॉगी था लेकिन वो बहुत ही फिरोसियस था एंड वो टाइगर की तरह मील टाइम में अदर डॉग्स के साथ झगड़ रहा था, लड़ रहा था और वो टाइगर की तरह था. He was like a leader of this gang and it was hunting rats in the old hen house. Hen house means जो hen होती है उसका जो हाउस बना हुआ था तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारे रैट्स भी थे. तो नाइट टाइम में वो रैट्स का हंटिंग भी करता था. मीन्स अब वो बहुत ही ताकतवर बन गया था, एनर्जेटिक हो गया था, उसकी हेल्थ जो थी वो सुधर रही थी. He had never had such a time in his life. और उसने अपनी लाइफ में ऐसा टाइम पहले कभी भी देखा नहीं था. मीन्स he was enjoying lot with the other dogs in the veterinary hospital. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. So bulletin means news. So here Mrs. Pumphrey was hovered. Hover means move around, and she was moving around here and there in the house, and she was ringing dozen times in a day. Dozen times means 12 times in a day for the news of her dog, and she was ringing to Mr. Harriet about the news, about the update of her favorite dog. I dodged the question about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. So here I dodged means the narrator. The doctor was dodged. Dodged means avoided. The question, which question this doctor avoided about Mrs. Pumphrey? About whether his cushions were being turned regularly. जो उसके कुशन थे वो टर्न किए कि नहीं, वो सारे क्वेश्चंस को वो अवॉइड करते थे. और हिज करेक्ट कोट वन अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेदर. और अकॉर्डिंग टू वेदर मीन्स सीजन्स के अकॉर्डिंग उसको करेक्ट कोट पहनाए जाते हैं कि नहीं. वो जो सारे क्वेश्चंस थे वो नरेटर डॉज्ड करते थे. डॉज्ड मीन्स अवॉइड करते थे. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convincing rapidly. So here the writer, the narrator avoided the silly questions about Mrs. Pumphrey that her dog had worn coats according to season or not, even the dog's cushions were turned out or not. These kind of questions were avoided by the narrator, but the narrator gave her detail. The narrator was able to tell her that this little fellow means Tricky, was now out of danger. So doctor had given her this instruction and this news that now her dog is out of danger. It was all right now. And convulsing rapidly. Rapidly means fastly. Okay. And convincing means he was recovering from his illness. So here the Tricky was now out of danger. It was recovering from his illness. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. And when Mrs. Pumphrey heard this word, convincing means to recover from the illness. Okay. And when Mrs. Pumphrey came to know that her dog is now out of danger and her dog was recovering from illness, she started to do something. What she started? She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. And she started to bring how many eggs? 2 dozen eggs at a time, fresh egg. And why she was bringing 2 dozens eggs at a time? To build up, to make Tricky's strength. ट्रिकी को मजबूत बनाने के लिए, ट्रिकी को ज़्यादा हेल्दी बनाने के लिए वो अब हर रोज 2 डजन एग्स हॉस्पिटल में लाने लगी. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottle of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. And this narrator, doctor, and his partners became very happy because ये जो मिसेस पम्फ्री 2 डजन एग लाती थी वो सारा वो ट्रिकी को नहीं दे रहे थे, क्योंकि उसको एक्स्ट्रा खाने से ही बचाना था. डॉक्टर का काम ही यही था कि उसको प्रॉपर डाइट दे, उसको एक साथ इतना सारा खाना नहीं देना था, वो डॉक्टर को पता था. एंड दैट इज़ वाई दिस डॉक्टर एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स बोथ वर, ऑल ऑफ देम वर एंजॉइंग मिसेस पम्फ्रेज एग इन द ब्रेकफास्ट. और सभी को 2-2 एग मिलते थे, इतने सारे वो एग लाती थी. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. Household here means veterinary hospital. And now ये जो मिसेस पम्फ्रे थी वो 2 डजन वो एग्स तो लाती थी, साथ साथ में अब वो बॉटल्स भी लाने लगी वाइन की. तो अब वाइन की बॉटल्स भी आने लगी. And that time this doctor now realized that these wines, bottle of wine and these eggs are not for them. These eggs and wines are for their dog, for this Mrs. Pumphrey's Tricky. ट्रिकी के लिए था, वो अब उनको रियलाइज हुआ. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. और वो क्यों लाती थी इतना सारा खाना और ये बॉटल जो थी वाइन की वो, तो उसका ब्लड जो है उसको एनरिच बनाने के लिए, उसको बढ़ाने के लिए, उसका खून अच्छा बनाने के लिए वो इतना सारा खाना और बॉटल ऑफ वाइन लाती थी. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. And now their lunch, all the dogs and writers, these narrators and their friends, ओके जो नरेटर के फ्रेंड्स भी, डॉक्टर के फ्रेंड्स भी वहाँ पर थे थोड़े, तो उन सब के लिए लंच क्या बन गया, अब एक सेरेमनी जैसा बन गया. तो वो सेरेमनियल ओकेजन की तरह ये लंच बन गया. क्यों बन गया? बिकॉज बिफोर लंच दे यूज टू हैव 2 ग्लासेस ऑफ वाइन एंड इवन ड्यूरिंग द मील ऑल्सो दे यूज टू ड्रिंक सेवरल ग्लासेस ऑफ वाइन. तो ये जो लंच जो था वो सारे डॉग्स के लिए और ये डॉक्टर उनके फ्रेंड के लिए एक सेरेमनी के जैसे बन गया, क्योंकि वो खाने से पहले भी 2 ग्लास वाइन पीते थे और बीच बीच में खाना खाते समय भी वो अब ये वाइन पीने लगे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.